Good morning. How can I help you?
Morning, my wife has been coughing nonstop for several days, and it seems difficult example same. I can see nurse or doctor.
Yes, I will register your wife. Please a moment. We will call the nurse and doctor to check.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Morning.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Good morning. I'm Nurse Jessica on duty this morning. From the information I got, you have a prolonged cough, right? Can you explain about your complaint?
Yes, I have been coughing for days now. My kids feel good that I can cough off them, even though any coughing hurt.
Does the cough get worse at curfew time, like at night?
Usually at night when I'm laying down, it is hard to breathe and the cough is more painful.
Do you also feel shortness of breath or chest pain when you cough?
Yes, if I coughing, I feel fine.
We will check your vital sign first. Excuse me. Have you tried taking cough medicine or non-liquid?
I have, but there is no thanks.
Yes, sir. I will consult the doctor first to determine the next course of procedure.
Thank you, nurse.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Here is patient Mrs. R with complaint of coughing up plank that cannot be expelled. After checking the vital sign, the result of blood pressure 130 per 85 millimeter of mercury, pulse 110 time per minute, temperature 37.5 Celsius, breathing 28 time per minute. And the patient complained of shortness of breath due to difficulty in expelling plaque.
Okay, Miss Jessica, now I know Mrs. Air condition from the data mentioned. I will explain using effective cough technique with Miss Farah.
Yes, doctor. Thank you.
Well, Miss Farah, after being given information about Mr. Air condition, let's go to practice room to the effective cough technique.
Yes, doctor. Thank you.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes. Good morning, Miss Air.
Morning.
Go ahead, Miss Farah.
Excuse me.
Okay, Miss Air, I am Dr. Amelia and Miss Farah. After seeing the result of the examination by Miss Jessica, you will carry out an effective cough procedure which will be quite by Miss Jessica. Do you give permission?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I leave the room first.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Kiss me.
Thank you, doctor. Yes.
Excuse me, Miss Nurse.
Yes.
I'm Nurse Farah. Is this really Mrs. F?
Yes.
My goal here is to effective countering the get of your symptom.
Yes.
Then let me prepare the tool first. Excuse me, Miss Nurse. Excuse me. Well, Miss here, you can start the action. Then you take 3, deep breathe, and at the off count 3, you can cough with the help of your abdominal muscles and release it to the breath. Can we start? Well, this is take a breath, then exhale. Take a breath, then exhale. Breathe in, cough. Okay, good. Excuse me, next. Excuse me. Okay, research. The treatment is over. How do you feel after the treatment? Effective cough treatment?
It's better.
Well, since the treatment has been complete, I ask permission to return to the nurseroom. If you need my help, you can call me in the nurseroom. I hope you get well soon.
Yes, thank you, nurse.
You are welcome.